Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Welcome to video number 3 called One Handgun, One Shotgun, and One Rifle. The handgun that I'm featuring today is a Browning High Power. This is a beautiful shooting gun. Browning stopped production on it, so albeit an expensive gun, right around $1,000 for this. This is a Mark III model. On the used market already, the price has skyrocketed. So if you have one of these, hold on to it. It does have a little over a 4.5-inch barrel, all steel frame, single action. It does have a magazine disconnect, simple disassembly, and this was John Browning's last design. And it is also the gun that the CZ75 was modeled after. So although there are so many CZ75 copies, CZ copied the Browning High Power. It goes to show you the quality of it. This has a 10-round mag in it. However, Metgar makes higher capacity mags, and I have one, but I didn't bring it. Yeah, this thing is sweet. I am really happy to have it. It has a little of a tougher single action trigger pull, but although there are modifications that can be made, I'm leaving this stock the way it is because I really dig it. Now let's get to that shotgun. The shotgun that I'm featuring today is a Mossberg 930 semi-auto 12 gauge. You can see it does have an extended magazine tube. The original magazine tube held 5 shells. This I purchased from Nordics Components. It holds 8 shells with one in the chamber, 9-round capacity. 18.5-inch barrel, does have a door breacher there that's being negated with the extended magazine tube, but it's a smooth shooter. I've had it for quite a while. I went to Walmart for coffee and bread and walked out with a shotgun back when Walmart was more firearm friendly, and I think I paid $4.50 for it back then. That was a steal because you couldn't find them anywhere, but I did find it at Walmart. Safety right up top here. Here we are about 15 yards away. I've got 7.5 shot target loads. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I have a little jam there. Let me get some different shells, and I've got some higher pressure shells. We'll see how it goes. I've never had a problem with these in the past, but I do now. Let's try that again. I've got 7.5 shot bird load. These are Fiocchi 2 3/4-inch shells. I've got 9 loaded up. Let's go. Hit that safety. Having another jam here. Not exactly sure what's going on. Never had these issues before, but it's a problem. They're not ejecting. All right, so I have another one loaded up. We're going to try that again. I've never had a problem with this shotgun. It did not experience any abuse, any extreme conditions or anything like that, but for some reason it's not ejecting that first shot shell. So let's try it, see what happens. If it doesn't work, we're moving on. If it does work, then it works. All right, there's that jam again. You know, the one thing with one rifle or one handgun, one shotgun, one rifle is that we're not going to sugarcoat it. This shotgun has an issue, so we're moving on. The rifle we're featuring today is the very historic Mosin Nagant. Now most Mosins don't look like this. This has an ATI Monte Carlo stock, and it's a Franken rifle. It's been pieced all together. It's the Glock of rifles. All the parts are interchangeable. You could take apart a Mosin and put it all back together with different parts, and it should work just fine. So it's a very powerful round it uses, and there it is, 7.62 by 54R. We're not too far away. It's getting dark and rainy. I've got a light on here that's making me a little brighter. It's actually getting dark out here. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna hit that plate right there. Woo! It's shaking. It sliced right through that like nothing. Try that again. Wow! Man, I missed this. Now, the right way to do this is to charge it when it's on your shoulder. So I'll do it like that next. try this right. This should be the last one. Each time I hit that plate, it was like a spark came off it, and maybe it's because it's dark out here or that this round is very heavy. I know the round's very heavy. Like this was a World War I round. Many people lost their lives because of the Mosin and that heavy 7.62 by 54R. What a round. Awesome rifle. This thing's always performed well for me. They used to be very cheap, but now I see them over 200 bucks. They used to be like 80 bucks at your local store, maybe even $70, but now they're over 200. Get yourself a Mosin. You'll love it. Hey guys, thanks for watching video number 3 of the series, 1 handgun, 1 shotgun, and 1 rifle. Sometimes when you go to the range, things work out great. Other times, they do not. The more shooting you do and the more firearms you own, the more you'll experience it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.